Today I am reviewing the Motorola Edge 2024 Midnight Blue. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Motorola Edge 2024 is one of those rare smartphones that truly blends elegance, performance, and innovation into one seamless experience. Motorola has once again proven that it's not just about keeping up with the competition. It's about redefining what a premium mid-range smartphone can be. This device doesn't just look stunning. It feels powerful, intuitive, and refined in every way. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing you'll notice. The Motorola Edge 2024 boasts a beautifully symmetrical curved design, wrapped in a soft vegan leather finish that feels luxurious and premium in your hands. The midnight blue color gives it a sophisticated edge, no pun intended, making it stand out in a sea of generic black and gray phones. It's thin, it's elegant, and it's comfortable to hold for hours. On top of that, Motorola adds IP68 water and dust resistance, so you can have peace of mind if you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it in water. It's not just stylish, it's built for real life. The display on this phone is nothing short of cinematic. The 6.6-inch pOLED screen delivers deep contrast, vibrant colors, and incredibly smooth motion. It's bright enough to be visible even under sunlight and supports stunning HDR visuals that make your favorite movies, games, and social media feeds pop with life. Whether you're streaming Netflix, editing photos, or scrolling through TikTok, the display experience is immersive and silky smooth. Motorola has mastered the balance between vivid color and natural tone, giving this screen a truly professional-grade feel. When it comes to performance, the Motorola Edge 2024 packs a serious punch. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor and paired with 8 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly. Switching between games, videos, and social media feels effortless, and overall system performance is incredibly fluid. With 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have more than enough room for photos, 4K videos, apps, and even large games. It's the kind of phone that stays fast and smooth day after day, even with heavy use. Now let's talk about the camera, and this is where Motorola continues to impress. The 50-megapixel main sensor uses ultra-pixel technology to capture stunning shots even in low light. Night photography, which is usually a weak point for mid-range phones, looks amazing here. Images come out sharp, bright, and detailed, even in challenging conditions. Motorola's partnership with Google brings Auto Enhance to the mix, automatically balancing colors and lighting for natural-looking results. Whether you're shooting portraits, cityscapes, or night scenes, the Edge 2024 camera delivers every time. Battery life is another area where the Motorola Edge 2024 shines. With its 68W TurboPower fast charging, you can get up to 50% battery in just 15 minutes. That's an entire day's worth of power in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Motorola's smart battery management ensures long-lasting endurance, meaning you can confidently use your phone all day, from morning workouts to late-night streaming, without worrying about running out of juice. The Edge 2024 also introduces a quick button on the side, a feature that's both clever and useful. With one touch, you can instantly open your favorite app or trigger a specific function, like launching the camera or voice recorder. It's fully customizable, and once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Another strong selling point is Motorola software. You get the most intuitive version of Android, free from unnecessary bloatware and enhanced with exclusive Moto Experiences. These include smart gestures, advanced personalization options, and handy shortcuts that make everyday use faster and more enjoyable. Motorola's UI is clean, fluid, and user-focused, giving you performance and control without the clutter. All of this is wrapped into a phone that's unlocked and made for the US market, ensuring compatibility with major carriers. You'll get reliable 5G speeds, excellent network performance, and a seamless connection experience wherever you go. To sum it all up, the Motorola Edge 2024 is a sleek, powerful, and thoughtfully designed smartphone that proves you don't need to spend over $1,000 for a premium experience. With its cinematic display, 50MP camera, blazing fast charging, and intelligent software, it's one of the most complete and balanced phones of the year. If you're someone who values performance, design, and dependability, the Motorola Edge 2024 is an excellent choice that delivers real flagship feel at an approachable price.